Now let's get started with Postman, and actually the first step to get started is by downloading and installing Postman. Now the installation process itself is quite easy. All you have to do is go to getpostman.com and click this download app button, and you will find an application that's available for Windows, for macOS, and for Linux systems. And just in case, and this is important, just in case you have a Chrome extension called Postman and you're using that, that's not good. Download the application. Once again, the Chrome extension Postman is deprecated, is no longer up to date with what's happening nowadays, and you will have problems doing this tutorial using that. So remove that plugin, download the application, and you'll be fine. Just click here to continue with the next video, and subscribe right here below.